Hey guys, we haven't had real jobs since 2013. We would definitely not go back, and we're going to talk about 5 income streams that we use to not only survive but thrive and keep us on the road, digital nomad in a way.
Yep, let's check these out.
Yeah.
All right, back in 2013, when we decided to leave the country, we could have got some remote jobs, but we decided we don't want to depend on anybody else for money because there's no way to let somebody have control of your life like that and feel safe and comfortable, right?
Yeah.
So we decided the best way for us to do things is to come up with multiple little streams of income that come in regardless of whether we're working hard on it or not. And that's kind of what's kept us on the road for 13 years now.
So, a long freaking time.
Yeah, it's been working, and we're going to kind of go over the 5 streams of income that we have that keep us traveling.
And I will say, too, if we can do it, so can you.
Yeah, we're not rocket scientists. We were a cook and a bartender before we left.
Yep.
So this is pretty easy.
Yeah.
So let's check out how we do this. All right, so before we get to these income streams, I want to say there's something to be said for instead of focusing a little bit of energy on 5 different things, focusing all your energy onto one.
Yeah.
And granted, that is how a lot of companies really take off. It didn't work for us. We did try that.
Yeah.
And outside of our hands, something always came around and fucked up our single source of income.
Yeah, hurricane there, a pandemic there,
We've had restaurants, we've had bars, we've had businesses that have all gone under due to unforeseen circumstances.
AI, artificial intelligence.
Yeah. So it really takes a long time to get ramped back up onto something.
Yeah.
And we were tired of it.
Yeah.
So we just decided these 5 income streams, we're just going to focus a little bit of energy on both as opposed to all of our energy.
And guys, it's really stressful, especially if you're on the road, having all your eggs in one basket, and then that basket just, the bottom falls out, you're fucked.
Yeah, that could send you back, and it almost has sent us back a couple of times, but it's so inexpensive here. Even if you lose 3 income streams, 2 can pay your rent.
Yeah,
so
and then you can have time to build the others.
Yeah, have the others up. Yeah.
Yep.
So let's check out these 5 income streams that we're focusing on.
Yep.
So I should first also note that if it were up to us, we'd have 10 or 12 income streams.
Yes.
Shit fails.
Yeah.
If you want to get into all our failures, we'd be happy to do a video on that because there have been hundreds of them.
There's been a lot of failures along the way,
But these are the 5 that we keep going with. We'll stick with the 5 that have been successful. If you want to hear about the other shit, we'd be happy to go into our failures.
Yeah.
All right, our first stream of income is
affiliate marketing.
Affiliate marketing.
Yeah.
And this is what we have done. This wasn't day 1, but this was after a couple of years. Affiliate marketing is just selling products and getting a commission. That's it.
Yeah, basically we were doing this for other people and decided, why don't we just do it for ourselves instead?
Right. We were writers and we were writing affiliate content. And all we had to do is create a web page and put our own affiliate content on it.
Yep.
We created multiple web pages. We created a travel one, a pet one, supplement one.
Yeah.
And there was one more that didn't take off. But anyway, we just keep writing blogs, posting them with affiliate links. And at its height, before all these Google changes and AI results and AI even came up to it, at its height, we were making a couple of grand a month, which paid for our travels, our rent. It paid for everything. So this one stream of these 5, the affiliate marketing paid for everything.
As of right now, roughly $500 to $800 a month coming in just from affiliate marketing that we did years ago.
We haven't touched it since.
That is passive income.
Right, and we haven't touched it because of all this shit going on with SEO and AI and Google search results.
Yeah.
We want this shit to play itself out before we put any more effort into that. So right now, affiliate marketing for us is just kind of sitting there collecting money.
Yeah, and I will say that passive income is passive once you've established it, but before you've established it, it took years and years and years for us to build this up.
Yep, it was.
Brutal.
There's no such thing as passive income.
No.
Right? It took a lot of work, and now it's collecting passive income.
Yeah, correct.
So that's our first stream of income.
Yep.
Okay, our second stream of income is ebooks. So as you can see, we're kind of writer heavy here. We're both writers now. So ebooks was, I think, our second step before affiliate marketing.
Yeah, it was our second step. Yeah, we actually were on Fiverr, which is a site that you can go in and offer any service you want. But we offered writing services. I think I even mailed postcards from our locations to people at one point. We basically just tried to get any kind of income in at all, and writing was what panned out. And a lot of the people that we wrote ebooks and stuff for, they didn't want the rights to those ebooks, so we sold them for a cheaper price and then just made our own ebook with them, slapped them on Amazon, and we still see money from those today.
Yep. So this was probably 10 years ago. We wrote a shit ton of ebooks. That's all we focused on, was putting ebooks up on KDP, Smashwords, and there was another at the time that's defunct, but whatever. But those books, they did take us time. This is all before AI, where you can knock a fucking ebook out in 2 minutes. Like, this was us researching and writing.
Yeah. This was us actually writing,
Yeah, we put like 10, 12, 15 ebooks up, and we don't make a whole lot off of them.
No, we don't. We're probably like $200 to $300 a month.
$200 to $300 a month we get off of there. This is totally passive, so...
Yeah, but from 10 years ago, we're still making $200 a month.
Yeah. Okay, well, if it looks like we've aged a week and a half, it's because we
have.
The last time we made this video, we forgot to hit the record button after we let the cat out, so here we go again. Our third stream of income when we first started traveling was Fiverr. Yeah.
Yeah, this got us through our second year of Nicaragua, which was really nice because we needed it at this time. We were just hitting the end of our savings and we really needed a source of income. And Fiverr really played out for us.
It really did. It's not ideal, but for people starting out, if they don't have a niche yet that they're going to earn money in, Fiverr is a good way to start across the platform in 10 different niches, right? Yeah. And then just whittle down what works for you.
Yeah, and they have a built-in audience of people that already know and trust Fiverr and already have accounts, and it makes it easy for them to just give you a try.
Yep.
You can create any kind of gig that you would like.
Yeah, anything you're good at, you can try. We mailed postcards, like you said, and all this stuff, but our focus was writing.
Yeah.
SEO content writing, and we did it for peanuts when we first started.
Yeah.
But as our Fiverr profile grew and we started to grow out of the low-paying gigs, we just kept raising our prices.
Yep. And we outpriced Fiverr.
Fiverr. We still have a
Fiverr account, and we do get a few gigs here and there, but for the most part, we used Fiverr as a jumping point to start our next stream of income,
which we'll get into. Our fourth stream of income is the company we started based on Fiverr.
Yeah.
We created an SEO content writing company because
we found out we were good writers.
We found out we were pretty good writers, and we studied the SEO content, and we knew what we were doing, so we could really demand some pretty good prices.
Yeah, and we were getting so many requests that we were just working too many hours for not enough pay, so we increased our pay, and we were still getting too much work, so we increased our pay again, and finally we took some of our clients off of the platform, and we still use them today, actually.
Yeah, we still have clients that we started with 8, 9, 10 years ago on Fiverr.
A long time ago, yeah.
They're paying considerably more for our services, but they understand quality. So this SEO company we started is just another stream of income, but in its heyday, which has since been gone about a year, we were probably bringing in $10,000 a month.
A lot of money.
A lot. But since AI overviews, AI writing, and new Google algorithms, everything is slowed. A lot of our clients are taking a wait and see approach to what's going to happen. So that took not a nosedive, but
it's a good thing we have other streams of income, because when stuff like this does happen, we have fallbacks.
We do.
But our SEO writing company was really nice, and it still is. We're still kind of figuring it out, but we had multiple people across the world that we were helping fund digital nomads' journeys. We had editors,
writers, Canva people who came up with media, like videos and pictures and whatnot. We did hire a lot of digital nomads and kept them on the road for a few years. But like I say, everything kind of peters out and whittles away, so that's kind of slowing down, which leads us into our fifth stream of income now, which
you're looking at.
You're looking at it.
Content writing or content creation.
It's still content creation, like the SEO. And since we're versed in writing and writing scripts, because that's what we did with our company, we wrote YouTube scripts.
Yeah.
We just decided again, why are we making everybody else money when we could just be doing it
money
ourselves? So our fifth stream of income now is YouTube. It's not like paying the bills for certain.
Yeah.
But when our income, or I'm sorry, when our monthly budget is $600 a month,
It helps a lot.
even a $500 YouTube check is helpful.
It's really great.
And if we keep it up, it'll only get better. So, but this is our point. If we would have just focused on one thing, like the writing company, and that peters out and the money stops coming in, a lot of people would just go home and start working the 9-to-5 gig with 5 separate streams of income.
We have a little bit coming in here, a little bit coming in there, a little bit coming in here, and as a whole, we're able to live a very comfortable life.
Yep. And that's our 5 streams.
Yeah. Let us know if you have any special streams of income, or if you would like to know about any special streams of income that we could do a video on.
Yeah, or if you're totally against the idea and you think focusing on one thing is the best, we'd like to hear that too.
Yeah, and your reasons why, for sure.
All right.
But definitely like and subscribe to our channel, because we post stuff like this all the time, and we like giving you the content. So until next time, guys,
Thanks.
safe travels.